Hi, Duncan here again. I'm here to talk to you today about thin frames, contemporary homes, modern looks. You want to maximize your view. You ask any window company for their widest daylight opening that you can find in thinnest frames. Now those can be found in either aluminum framed windows or vinyl frame windows, so make sure that you explore all of your opportunities. If you remember back to the 1960s, Frank Lloyd Wright designs, very clean lines that will maximize your view and give you that contemporary look. Double hung windows were all the rage in the 1920s, maybe even slightly before, and they've made a comeback again. Double hung window gives you the ability to have a vertically hung window that opens from the top down and the bottom up. With modern technology, if you live in a second story or multi-story situation, ask for tilt-in features so that you can actually clean the windows without having to get on a ladder from the outside of your home. When you're doing your shopping, ask for multi-point locking systems on sliding glass doors or French doors. These are not your grandfather and grandmother's windows and doors anymore. Technology's come a long way. Glass options. Dual pane is a must, but beyond that, low E max. There are a multitude of products available to you to block out the UV, to keep radiant heat from getting back out, and there are lots of other features. For more information, check out our blog at newmanwindows.com.